Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming compatibility and gathering required hardware for a smooth setup. You need an Apple TV 4K, a Philips Hue Sync Box, and a Hue Bridge 2 on the same network. Use HDMI 2.0 or newer cables to support 4K 60 HDR pass-through. A 1.5-meter cable works well for tidy setups. Make sure Philips Hue bulbs or light strips are installed and reachable. Group those lights in an entertainment area in the Hue app so the sync box can control them precisely during playback. Power everything down before connecting cables to avoid signal issues. Plug the Apple TV 4K HDMI cable into the sync box HDMI in port. Connect the sync box HDMI OUT to your TV HDMI input or to an AV receiver input when required. Keep the sync box within 2 meters of the TV for neat cable runs and stable HDMI connections. Power the sync box and Apple TV on. Then connect the Hue Bridge 2 to your router with an Ethernet cable for reliable control and minimal latency. Turn on the Apple TV and open settings to set video format to 4K 60 and enable match dynamic range. In the Philips Hue mobile app, add the sync box, then select your TV and assign the entertainment area you created. Configure HDR pass-through or tone mapping in the sync box settings if needed to preserve HDR content. Enable HDMI-CC on the TV and Apple TV to allow automatic source switching. Finally, launch the Hue Sync app, start a session, and adjust intensity between 0.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.